Hello, people. Once again, welcome back to the new episode of People, Pratik, and Podcasts. और yes, भाई, let me tell you one thing. खतरनाक वाली चाय, बन मस्का और बस आग बंद कर दे तो मुझे दिखाई देगा कैफे हेरल्ड विच इज ऑन द ईस्ट स्ट्रीट कैंप पुणे. And for this, we have invited Urvashi ma'am, Ms. Rafa. So Urvashi is the founder, director of Cafe Herald. और guys, let me tell you before we start the conversation, definitely हम बहुत सारे यहाँ पर वीडियोस, पिक्चर्स कैफ़े के अपलोड एडिट करेंगे, बीच बीच में आप देखोगे. बट गाइज, इट्स वन ऑफ द बेस्ट कैफ़ेज इन एंटायर पुणे. Pure vintage cafe. All right, so definitely we want to know about the history, how it started, and many more questions. So once again, welcome, ma'am, to
Thank
this
you.
podcast
Thank you.
of P3. So we want to hear it from you first of all
Yes.
about the history of Cafe Herald.
Hi, I'm Urvashi Moti Sundarji, and I was born and brought up in that premises. Let me tell you about how it started actually. This property is my grandfather's,
Oh.
and it is almost 170 years old.
170 years old.
Yes.
क्या बात है.
My grandfather bought it from the Scottish Mission Industries
Hmm.
years back.
My God.
And then my grandfather
Mhm.
used to run a race book for the races.
Oh.
Yes, it was known as the Commercial Printing Works.
Okay.
Then he started with Pune Herald. If
Okay.
you've heard of Pune Herald,
हमने सुना
it
है.
was a newspaper.
It was a newspaper.
Yes. Then my grandfather passed away.
Okay.
So my grandmother and aunt and every kids were very small,
Mhm.
so they couldn't look after it. So they gave it to Atur Sangtani.
Okay.
Yeah, Atur Sangtani was running it in the name of Pune Herald.
Okay.
Then Lalit Sangtani came, his son, and he changed it to Maharashtra Herald.
Okay.
And after that, his son was looking after, but he
Mhm.
was not into this.
All right.
So then Maharashtra Herald was the entire proprietorship was all given to Sakal.
Okay.
After that, I got that.
So even
place.
Sakal was running their own.
No,
this thing
Sakal was not running it over there in my
Hmm.
premises. Only Atur Sangtani was running it.
there. Okay.
But then he gave it to us, and then uh, there we started with a furniture studio.
Okay.
We had a furniture studio which my youngest sister,
Okay.
Namrata Bapat, was running it.
Acha.
Yeah, and my father also loved furniture, so he was also into it.
Acha.
I've got a few of his own carved chairs
Those things
and
also.
things, you know. Those are memories for me.
Great.
And my father passed out in 2004. But then after that, the furniture studio was there. We took it around till 2016. And my sister got another job in the bank.
Okay.
So then we had to shut this down.
Acha.
And then soon COVID hit us. Before that, my son got married.
Hmm.
And COVID hit us.
Hmm.
And then in that phase, I met Kunal. Kunal is my daughter-in-law's brother.
Brother.
And Kunal had done his IHM from Aurangabad.
Okay.
So, I mean, everybody was jobless.
Mm-hmm.
But then Kunal was so enthusiastic.
Into this.
So I said, come on, I have place. Why don't we
Ah.
just start from small?
I know.
So that's how both of us started. And we didn't have any staff at that time. It was just him and me.
I remember
And
those
we used to
days.
first start giving chai, during that time. And that's how we started with this cafe from small. And then we grew and grew and grew.
And it's now magic happening.
Yes, and it's just magic happening.
I still remember the day, it was COVID time. और मुझे भी ऐसे लगा चलो चाय पी लेंगे, but there was no good cafe, which is safe in terms of the COVID protocols
Yes,
and all.
yes.
So then I parked my vehicle there opposite to the fashion street,
Yes.
And just came inside कि चाय मिलेगा, चाय है. Has the cafe been started? And I was looking around कि देख लिया, अरे ये तो बहुत vintage दिख रहा है. Is it a cafe? Is it something else? So like we were like very much amazed. Wow, क्या interior है. I think so तभी तो interior पूरा बना भी नहीं था.
नहीं बना था. And we've left it the way the old look was.
old look
because it was
was.
my grandfather's stationery.
अच्छा.
where the cafe is, it was my grandfather's stationery.
Okay.
There he used to sell horse equipments.
Oh,
Yes.
this is in which year?
Horse stationery it was. I'm talking about
50s, 60s?
1942 my father was
Oh.
born. So it was before that.
So during the time of British era.
Yes, during the time of British era.
वाओ सो ये कैसा शुरू हुआ मतलब ठीक है 1942 इट ऑल स्टार्टेड द एंटायर प्लेस राइट आफ्टर दैट
No, before that it had started.
बिफोर दैट
Yeah, yeah. 1826.
क्रेजी
Yes.
ये मुझे जानकर लेना है इवन द ऑडियंस दे वांटेड टू नो दिस कि यू नो हम देखते हैं कि ओके दिस इज अ कैफे ब्यूटीफुल कैफे
1826 was the Scottish Mission Industries.
ओके दे केम
They came. And after that, that was there.
सो स्कॉटिश मिशनरी फ्रॉम मेथोडिस्ट चर्च व्हिच इज बिसाइड्स दैट
No, 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 no.
ओके दैट इज डिफरेंट
This is different. Methodist Church is different, and our property is different.
ओके ओके
And ours is the only property on E Street,
ओके
which is commercial cum residential.
ओह बोथ
Yes,
वाओ
both.
अच्छा
So we have that
ओके
priority part.
I know. So, looking back to the 18th century, यार वो ज़माना कैसा था? So you must have heard a lot of stories from your,
Yeah, from my
grandfathers,
yes,
fathers.
yes. My father used to tell it used to be very different, you know.
कैसा था वो? The phase
roads had only bullock carts and horse carriages, you know,
God.
cycles. There were hardly any rickshaws or anything,
No,
you know.
rickshaws that
Everything was open. There were no buildings in front of our house. They were all bungalows.
okay.
It was very beautiful. Even when I was born, I've seen bungalows in front of us, you know.
Wow.
These buildings have come up after
A long
1968.
time. Okay. So even if where the Fashion Street is, was that Fashion Street itself?
No.
क्या था वहाँ पर?
Fashion Street was a kabristan.
Oh.
Yes. It was a small kabristan right over there. And before that, the building that is there, that was our bungalow.
अच्छा.
Yeah. And next to that was, if you know Dr. Marolia, if you all have heard of Dr. Marolia. Now the son is there, Gayo Marolia. He's a dentist.
Hmm.
Near Market only, behind Market.
Mm-hmm.
Their bungalow was there.
अच्छा.
Then there was another bungalow. Then the Royal Bakery bungalow.
Okay.
Yeah. So all these were bungalows.
Wow.
And there was no building over there. These buildings all started in the 70s.
क्या बात है?
Yes.
बाप रे. So the entire time was different.
Very different, very different. And there was not so much traffic, you know, so much of pollution. It was very different at that time. And if you go to see winters now, is nothing.
Nothing. It's nothing. It was damn cold during that
Very
time.
cold, very cold. You know, we couldn't see the church from our balcony.
Really?
It used to be that foggy in the morning.
बाप रे.
Very foggy.
क्या बात है?
Yes.
So like ठीक है ये तो phase 18th century निकल गया.
Yeah.
When we step into the 19th century, like
Yes.
you know, first it was the newspaper which you mentioned, Herald.
Yeah, that was in
In which year this happened?
1946 or
46.
47.
Okay, it started.
Yeah, it started.
Acha. Okay. So it was entire that newspapers.
Yeah, it was known as the Pune Herald.
It was Pune Herald.
Yes, Pune Herald.
Okay. ये कब तक था Pune Herald? Till which year?
Well, I have absolutely don't have that much idea, but yes, in 2000, no, before that only, 88
Okay.
or somewhere. Before that, Maharashtra Herald had shut down.
Okay.
Yes.
So let me tell the audience also one thing. We'll come to the next part of this. That is the cafe, which is the main focus and the spotlight of this podcast.
Yes.
तो मैंने एक देखा है कि बहुत सारे कैफेज है जहाँ पर लोग जाते हैं चाय पीते हैं खाते हैं दे सेट एंड थोड़ा टाइम होने के बाद टिंग 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 ओके योर टाइम इज अप
Right,
चलो
right.
अभी टाटा बाय बाय
Right.
बट हियर इट इज कंप्लीट रिवर्स ऑफ दिस
Yes.
there's so much of love
Yes.
It's a pet friendly cafe also ये तो
Yes,
मैंने कहीं
yes.
देखा ही नहीं I think
Ours
so
was the first pet-friendly cafe in Pune.
wow क्या बात है
Yes, because I am an animal lover.
animal lover
You know,
I can see
since
there are
my
dogs
childhood-
there are cats
Yes, yes. Since my childhood, I've had animals with me. Like we've had almost, at one time we had one Great Dane who we had rescued. Then we had 4 street dogs, you know, stray dogs who would come inside. Then we had 2 Alsatians who had given 12 puppies each.
Oh.
So we had 24 puppies, you know, running up down the stairs. And then we had a cow, we had a calf.
My God.
Early morning the calf used to come and, you know, man, he would come and do it over there. तो वो बहुत ही different era
Different
था.
हम्म, क्या बात है. सो पेट फ्रेंडली कैफ़े है, और मैंने ये भी देखा कि बहुत सारे फ्रेंड्स हैं मेरे, नोन पीपल हु से कि हम दूर तो रहते हैं, नो वरीज, बट यहाँ पर आके एक चाय पीएंगे, बैठेंगे यार, पूरा टेंशन निकल कर जाएगा.
जी, हमारी
सो दिस इज द पावर ऑफ, आई थिंक सो, कैफे हेरल्ड.
Exactly.
कितने दूर दूर से आते हैं,
बहुत
बीच
दूर
में
से
इतने
आते
कैफे, स्टिल दे कम हियर.
हाँ, बहुत दूर से आते. Basically it is, you know, I have a very good interaction with all
With
my customers.
all the customers.
I don't feel that they are customers walking in.
They are family.
For me, yes, it is like family, and for me they are like gifts, you know,
वाओ.
from God that come in.
आई थिंक
तो
ये
मुझे
जो
लगता है कि भगवान ही आ रहे हैं अंदर. तो उनकी सेवा कैसे करें,
कैसे करें,
वो दिल से होती है.
हम्म,
और दूसरी बात कि हमारे वहाँ मसाले वाली चाय मिलती है, मस्त
हाँ,
अदरक और
अदरक
इलायची वाली,
स्ट्रॉन्ग कड़क
स्ट्रॉन्ग कड़क महाराष्ट्रन इंडियन चाय.
चाय प्रॉपर.
यस.
क्या बात है. सो ऐसे बहुत लोग मतलब नहीं सोचते हैं जैसे आप सोचते हो, है ना.
जी.
So this is something very unique about Cafe Herald. और the most unique part is the interior यार. ये तो कमाल का है भाई.
जी.
मैं इतना घुमा हूँ, बहुत जगहों पर जाके आया हूँ, आउट ऑफ पुणे, अक्रॉस पैन इंडिया. ऐसा इंटीरियर मैंने कभी नहीं देखा, विच इज़ थरर विंटेज. सो व्हाट इज़ द आइडिया बिहाइंड दिस इंटीरियर?
Well, behind the interior, basically if you go to see, I'm an artist.
Yeah.
So my artwork I like to display.
Okay.
We kept it the way it was, with the brick, you know, the stone work
Stone.
that was there. The rooftop is high. There was a mezzanine, but we didn't do it. Because it came down old and all that. So we just
Yeah.
took it down. And then I just put up all my paintings. Because
Paintings.
I'm an artist.
Yeah.
And I take classes for kids also.
Wow.
Yes.
Beauty. What are the timings? So because definitely through this
It's,
podcast बहुत सारे लोग हैं.
Basically, I adjust myself. Like if
अच्छा.
the kids want it on Saturday, Sunday,
Beauty.
I do it on Saturday, Sunday. If they have, you know, weekdays are okay for the kids for an hour, 2 hours, then I'm ready to do that also. And if it is like 5-6 kids at a time, I can go to their place and teach them.
Wow. Very
Yes.
nice.
I've done quite a lot of, you know, these small camps. Like in the society, they have this area, you know, where they have their play area and they all. So I go and take it over there. Like
Over there.
society, 5, 6, 8 kids come, and on a Sunday morning, you know, just go there, do their classes. They enjoy.
Fulfill your passion.
Yes. And I teach them also, and I give them enjoyment also. So it's a fun.
It's fun,
it's a fun
activity.
art activity that I do with the kids.
Okay, that's great to know. So you just mentioned you are an artist.
Yes.
So how about your artistic life? How it started?
Well, my aunt is a commercial artist,
Okay.
and looking at her, I was like, no, I love this.
I love
you know,
this.
she was my
Idol.
So I used to love the way she used to draw and everything, and then she used to teach also. So I was just in the 2nd standard when we had started. So that time she used to do, you know, fun activities, like play as much as you want with paint. So it is like the water paint, which does not hurt. It runs away with water. So with water paints, she used to let us do what we feel like, you know. So paint, enjoy, paint on yourself, paint, enjoy. So that's how we started.
You started.
And then slowly, as I grew, I used to do on my own, you know. So from there it started.
क्या बात है, क्या बात.
And then I am a commercial artist.
Exactly. And that's been seen in the interior also of the
Yes,
cafe.
I basically do charcoal art more,
Charcoal.
but I do have acrylics and oil paints, and I do lip art also, and I do mosaic art also.
Wow.
Yes, I am into everything.
Everything.
Yes.
Multi-talented, we can say. Because I think that is seen right starting from the counter
Yes.
till the table.
Yes.
So जो भी है यहाँ पर it's uniquely designed. Like even if you see at the walls, we have different paintings here.
Yes.
I think so they pass on some great message to all the people who step in.
Yeah, everybody has a different idea.
Idea, something very unique it is.
Yes.
And so I think the theme color is gray, green, and the roof is red.
Red.
So what is the idea behind all the three colors, or is it just kind of artistic?
It's just, we just wanted to have it a green look that was like, welcoming.
Okay.
The roof we kept red, so give it a break with the green, red.
Exactly, it divides.
Yeah, it divides. And grey is just a neutral color,
Okay.
a pleasant color.
And warm yellow, white
Yes,
lights.
Yes.
Wow. That's very very nice. जब भी मैं आता हूँ ऐसा लगता है इधर ही बैठ जाओ. और बहुत लोग हैं.
बहुत
मैंने
है.
बहुत लोगों को देखा है, सुना है कि मस्त बैठ जाता है, चाय पियो,
हाँ.
एक नहीं 10 बार पीते हैं.
जी.
Great. All right. So thank you so much Urvashi ji for joining us, and definitely हम बहुत सुनेंगे आपके पास से some knowledge about also hotel management,
Yes.
about cafes, because बहुत सारे लोग हैं जिनको जानकर लेना है, सीखना है और खुद का कैफे भी शुरू करना है.
Okay.
So all right, let's witness this in the next episode. Thank you.
Thank you.